Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of Geography of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Physical Features of India. In the previous video, we have learned about the three parallel range of Himalaya and regional division of Himalayas. Now, uh, Purvachal or Eastern Range. In this video, we are going to discuss about Purvachal or Eastern Range and Northern Plain. Purvachal or Eastern Range. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond Dihang Gorge, this range turns south along the northeastern boundary of India. These hills are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks covered with dense forest. They mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. Here they are called Purvachal or the Eastern Hills and include the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Mizo Hills, and the Manipur Hills. Now the northern plains. This plain is formed by three river systems: the Indus, the Gangas, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. This plain is formed by alluvial soil. It spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. These plains are about 2400 kilometer long and between 240 kilometer and 320 kilometer broad. They are densely populated due to the fertile soil, adequate water supply, favorable climate, and terrain. The rivers originating from the northern mountains slow down due to the gentle slope, which results in the formation of riverine islands. Majuli is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world and lies in the Brahmaputra River. The rivers split into a number of channels in their lower courses due to the depositional of silt. These channels are called distributaries. They are common features of river deltas. Parts of northern plain. There are three parts of northern plain: Punjab plain, Ganga plain, and Brahmaputra plain. First, Punjab plain. It is the western part of the plain. It has been formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. The Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, the Ravi, the Satluj, the Beas, and the Chenab, originate in the Himalayas. The Punjab plain is also dominated by Doabs. Second, Ganga plain. It is the middle part of the plain, of the northern plain. It extends from the Ghaggar river in Haryana to the Tista river in West Bengal through the states of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, parts of Jharkhand, and West Bengal. And the third part is Brahmaputra plain. It is the eastern part of the northern plain. It extends from Assam to Bangladesh. Regions of northern plain. Along its width, the northern plain is divided into four regions according to the variation in relief features. First Bhavar, second Tarai, third Bhangar, fourth Khadar. First one is Bhavar, second one is Tarai, third one is Bhangar, and fourth one is Khadar. First Bhavar. After descending from the mountains, the rivers deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 km, in which lying parallels to the slopes of the Sivaliks. It is known as Bhavar belt. All the river and streams disappear in the Bhavar belt. Second is Tarai. South of Bhavar belt, the streams and river re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region known as Tarai. Earlier it was thickly forested with a lot of wildlife, but now most of the forests have been cleared for agriculture and to settle migrants from the Pakistan after independence. Some forest still remains here. Dudhwa National Park is located in the Tarai region. Third one is Bhangar, the largest part of the northern plain consisting of older alluvium and known as Bhangar. It presents a terrace-like feature and contains calcareous deposits known as Kankar. And the fourth part is Khadar, the lowest region in the floodplain known as Khadar. The soil here is renewed whenever there is a flood. So this area is fertile and best for intensive agriculture. In the next video, we will discuss about the Peninsula Plateau.